dude? Don't wave, sure, that's fine. What's up, YouTube? Got another moto vlog with my good friend Wind Noise. My mom's birthday is coming up in a couple days. Me, my dad, my little brother want to take her out to a birthday dinner. Thing is, she's a very frugal woman. She likes to not spend money basically as much as possible. So of course, you know, we already know that if we tell her like, oh, let's go out for dinner for her birthday, she's gonna say no, don't do that, it's a waste of money, blah blah blah. Which I could understand the logic with that, but come on, it's a once a year thing. So I'm on my way to a particular restaurant, one that I've mentioned in a past video. See, she's like me, or I might have gotten this from her, but she loves Japanese food, just like me. Seafood and Japanese food are like the #1 favorites, just like me. Yeah, you probably might remember in a past video, went to a sushi place with a couple buddies. So we're going down to this sushi joint that I love. It was like one of those Japanese places where it has a carousel and all that. These places are awesome. They actually opened a second location the other week. Here, a lot closer to my house, a lot closer to where we live. I'm going over there right now to talk to them about reservations for me and my family. I mean, I could have called them and asked them, but the weather's actually really nice. In mid-70s right now, and there's a nice, you know, somewhat cool breeze. It's not too humid right now. Yeah, boy. But anyways, so I'm using this as an excuse to go ride, but at the same time go inquire them about a reservation for me and my family on doing this, what is it, Tuesday? Yeah, I think we're gonna do this Tuesday. Oh, that dude bumping. But your love lockdown, your love lockdown. That's a good, that's a classic Kanye song. It's been a while since I heard that song, matter of fact. Hey, yeah, boy! Ah, it's such a good day to ride. Oh, the wind feels so good. Wait, what do you want to do, dude? Oh, what the f are you doing? What the hell was that? This intersection is always, it's almost like it doesn't matter if it's a busy day or not. It's always kind of a cluster over here. I've never actually eaten at this location, this new location, since it's new. So I've always gone to the original location. So I hope that this location is just as good, if not better. It's a nice sounding Beamer. I think it's a 6 Series. Yeah, I think so. Shit. Shit. What the f? Noob moves all day. Let's go, people. Shit. Okay, dude, what the? Is he gonna cut in front like that? Damn, that's such a dick move.
So I'll never let you go. Never let you go. I'll never let you go. Never let you go.
Slow people, I swear. All right, should be in here somewhere. Oh, the door's over there, so... Oh, there's an 85C bakery cafe here? There's one in Chinatown, and it's pretty good. I had no idea they had a location here, though. I guess I'm just gonna have to park far or something. There we go. Hey. Oh, here too. Yay. That looks like a line, too. Calling definitely probably would have been a lot easier. Where's the fun in that?
A few moments later.
Way too many people. I can't even get any. I mean, I know how to do the system and all that. I just need to talk to someone, but there's way too many people. I'm just gonna call them. Matter of fact, I'll call them right now.
Thank you for calling Kula.
I'm calling to ask if I could make reservations for Tuesday night.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir, but we don't take reservations.
Oh, okay. All right. That's good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hmm? Let's see, that I didn't know. I didn't know that they didn't take reservations. It was worth a shot. And who could deny this riding weather? I'm gonna have to come back at one point to that 85 degrees Celsius bakery. Pleasantly surprised there's one here. Right across from my favorite restaurant? She. Let's take the scenic route back home. Oh, look at all the doggies. Yeah. Little doggies at the dog park. Oop. Damn, that was a pretty nice bump. Last one off the seat. Oh, it's starting to rain. I got water droplets on my visor. No. Bunch of rich people live here. Oh, a dog. No, that's not a dog. What the hell? Man, no one's waving back today.